Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm sharing with you this really special little ornament mini album that I made for my granddaughter, Cora, who is expected to arrive next month. I was inspired by a video tutorial that Rosa Kelly of Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking did, and I will link that in the description box below. I used a circle scalloped cutting die to cut out the frame pieces for my ornament, and then just a stitched circle to do the mat on the front of the ornament. And the overall dimensions of this ornament are 3 3/4 by 4 1/4. I purchased this image on Etsy and I customized it in Canva to add her name. I printed this image out on this shed-free glitter cardstock from Pen & Gear, and I just sent it through my inkjet printer, and I really love the result. To decorate the top, I just use several different laces and some ribbon from my stash. This one comes from Joanne. This metallic one is from Hobby Lobby. And this is an Offray ribbon. I'm not sure where I purchased it. To create a hanger for the top of the ornament, I used this Wright's Flexi Lace hem tape, and I purchased this on Amazon. The bling that you see right here comes from Hobby Lobby. These are the Paper Studio adhesive gems. And this lovely rhinestone chain is 2 millimeters. And it was just one that I had in my stash. I've purchased these from all different kinds of places, but I thought that that added just the sweetest touch. I designed this ornament with 7 pages, which gives you 14 front and back opportunities to put photos. That way, my son and daughter-in-law can put Cora's ultrasound picture on this first page, and then throughout the year, keep adding to the album, and there is a page for every month of the year. I love the way this turned out, and my hope is that this will be a treasured heirloom for generations to come. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!